Hope everybody's doing well out there. I'm starting to get a decent collection of Legos, and this is something I used to love to build with as a kid. I've always wanted to make my own Lego designs and make them available for sale, but I thought, is there an organized digital way to actually build my designs without necessarily having to have the Legos? Or if I have a set of Legos that don't match anything, can I put them together into a design I like and actually share it? And that's where Studio comes in. And this is Bricklink Studio. Okay, what's cool about this software is it gives you nice, clear, consistent, different styles of Legos. Also, you can actually download different designs that people have made and shared. You can get a full 3D rotation on this. And also, they have it organized so all of your bricks are here in order. And they give you a list and you can build this yourself. Now, let's go ahead and get into the software so you can see some of the features and what it can do. Okay, I want to talk about the website first. If you see me looking up, it's just because my monitor's on the wall. We're going to get into a lot of the software offerings. So you have Studio Early Access. You also have Studio, and this is the one that I particularly download and the one we're going to go over today. So you just download here right at the yellow download link as you see on the screen right here. And we're going to talk about some of the features. Visually build designs of your wildest imagination. Unlimited bricks give you total freedom to create Bricklink integration lets you share work and purchase elements to build for real. So you have intuitive easy building here, stack, clutch, hinge, and clip parts together effortlessly using Snap to function that lets you quickly build creations. We're going to use that feature in a moment. You also have an instruction maker, so it has your fonts and you can add graphics and everything you need to make your own custom instructions, which is really a big part of why I downloaded this software. But I'll talk about that later, how I'm going to use this for applications for real Lego bricks or scavenger bricks that we find. And you also get photorealistic rendering, which is awesome, especially if you're uploading your files to be displayed, or if you're uploading your files to a shared website. You can also make Lego artwork images from those, which is really nice. So I want to get into some of the other features here. You can have an easy buy and want list. You can also share your designs, and then you also have the Bricklink Designer program, which some designs that are really good end up being created into real sets. So that's pretty awesome. And they have the beginner videos here and get started if you want to look at that. And also for advanced builders, they have Studio Early Access, which we talked about earlier. And also Parts Designer. You can go in there and create custom parts, and that's very important if you're doing a lot of customization. So overall, it's just a really inviting website. I implore you to go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description, and the software is free. So now we're going to transition over into the building segment. In a future video, I'll be sure to go over the parts maker, which is a little different than this where you're making the individual parts. Here we're just going to go over the tutorial for today. So if you see here, they have the yellow, which is create new, which you're going to create from scratch. You can also open a file. You can go through the Studio Gallery and download some designs. But what we're going to do is launch the tutorial for today. So you're greeted here with the beginning part of it. It says learn about camera controls and basic features to help you get familiar with Studio. So we're going to start the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing they want you to learn is the scrolling. So once you make the action correctly, you'll see the next button highlight over here. So we're going to click next. Okay, we also have the option to drag our mouse. Also right click and drag mouse. That lets you rotate the platform here. Okay, as you can see right there, pretty simple. All right, let's see what's next. Now they're asking us to do a combination of space and left click. And you can pan, okay, that's useful. So let's go. We can scroll with the mouse wheel. We can right click and rotate. And we can also hold spacebar and pan however we need. Okay. Okay, it wants us to build a snail, so that's what we're going to build. It says click brick 1 times 2 to select. Okay, this is a 1 by 2. Okay, so using the arrow keys, rotate brick 1 by 2. Okay, so let's click on here. Use the arrow keys. I guess we're gonna, I don't think they want us to rotate that way, so let's undo that. They want us to rotate that way, so they want us to rotate left. Okay, now next up is we're gonna place the brick in the middle. Okay, all right. Okay, now they want us to kind of, and I'll see if I can pan over a little bit. Let's see, hold shift. Okay, and as you can see, there's all 3 different bricks here. So we're just gonna, looks like we're gonna have to rotate this one and then put that one in place. I don't know as a child if I remember putting a slug together. That might have been one of the early ones that you do. Yeah, I think, oh, okay. So it's saying that one brick is out in the way. Okay, so that's good to know. And then we can put this one over here. Yeah, it's pretty easy flow. I think this is going to be a nice program to stream and kind of use. And let me know in the comment section if you ever used this software before. Just getting a good little rotate, zoom out. Okay, next up we're going to, rotate it that way. I guess this is going to form the shell. So we're just going to drag and drop it right there. And then this is going to be the head, I assume. Okay, we definitely don't want to rotate it that way. Probably want to rotate it this way. And then we're going to move it in place and snap it on. See if I can get on there at a good angle. Okay, so we're looking good so far. All right, so now we got to grab antenna. So, okay, it's showing us how to search parts now. So, I guess we type in antenna, small. Okay, there we go. And what is it asking us to do? Okay, I'm just going to get one of the pre-made ones. And that will save us some time. Let's zoom out. And we'll add another one to the other side. Okay, it says hold down control and select all the feeler parts. Let's see if we can rotate this first. Hold down control, select the feeler parts. Oh, okay. So we can actually, I guess, rotate them. That's pretty interesting. All right, we can also color them. Okay, so we choose black for the color. Okay, thank you. And I guess we're going for red for the shell. Where's red at? Let's see. I'll just type in red. That'll be easier for me to find. And just need plain red. Okay, next. Okay, great. So we just finished our snail. Let's see what's next. Share your design in My Studio or Wanted list. Okay. All right, we just finished the tutorial. Okay, and so that'll give you an idea of how the software works. Obviously, it's very much more in depth, and we'll explore this software again in a separate video in the future. Also, we're going to investigate the part maker of making our own parts in the Lego software. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up, and I'll talk to you about my conclusion of the software and how you could use this studio to build your own Lego designs. Okay, one thing we're going to be doing in Brick Studio is eventually exploring more features in the software. And if you're really interested, I will be willing to do maybe this software for a couple of months, once a week, on a live or even specialized videos on how to build and create your own Lego kits. Now, if you enjoyed this video or learned something, definitely like, share, comment, subscribe. I have to say, I really think it's awesome to be able to digitally design your Legos online without having to actually purchase any Legos. And if you have loose Legos or Legos that don't really match any single kit, you can build your own designs and actually print out the directions. I think that's really cool, and you can share it. I really think this is going to be a useful tool when getting back into Legos. And tell me what you think about Brick Studio. So let me know in the comment section what you thought about the software. Definitely like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for everyone out there who supported CLO Academy and also the channel. And I had a really nice donation as of recently, and I want to say thank you. And you know who you are to those of you who have donated to me, not just on the GoFundMe, but also in person. So if you're interested in supporting CLO Academy, links will be in the description below. Also, I really appreciate everyone out there for watching and supporting the channel. Guys, I'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned for more videos here and there on the studio software. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.